Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter number 4, which is carbon and its compounds. Okay, so let's start. Mainly the all living organisms, they contain carbon content in them. Okay, Earth crust having only 0.02% carbon. Okay, which is present in the form of minerals. Only 0.02% carbon is present in the form of minerals. For example, carbonates, hydrogen carbonates, coal and petroleum. Okay, in atmosphere, 0.03% carbon dioxide is present. Okay, in atmosphere 0.03% of carbon dioxide is present. This is the occurrence of carbon content. Next is bonding in carbon. Okay, carbon forms covalent bond. Carbon forms covalent bond. Okay, uh, it means covalent compounds are formed. What is the difference between ionic compounds and the covalent compounds? Ionic compounds having high melting and boiling point. Okay, ionic compounds versus covalent compounds. Ionic compounds, these having high melting point and boiling point and are good conductors of electricity and good conductors of electricity, whereas covalent compounds, okay, covalent compounds, these having low melting and boiling point as compared to ionic compounds. Okay, these having low melting point and boiling point as compared to the ionic compounds, and these are largely non-conductors. These are largely non-conductors of electricity. Clear? This is the main difference between the ionic compounds and the covalent compounds. Now, we are saying that carbon is forming covalent compounds. It means there is sharing of electrons. Covalent compounds means there is presence of covalent bond. Covalent bond means sharing of electrons. Sharing of electrons. Okay. Now, why carbon forms bond by sharing its valence electrons? Okay. Let's discuss carbon. What is atomic number? What is the atomic number of carbon? That is 6. The atomic number of carbon is 6. It means it is, if I will write in the form of magic numbers, then it is 6 4. Okay, it means in this form, this is nucleus, then in the first shell 2 electrons, and in second shell there are how many? 4 electrons are there. Okay, an atom is neutral. An atom is neutral. Why? Because number of electrons is equals to number of protons. We know that the charge on electron is negative and charge on proton is positive. It means both are balancing each other, and number of electrons and protons in an atom is equal. Okay, numbers both are equal, and that is why an atom is neutral. Okay, why carbon does not form 4 C4 negative. That is why it is not forming an anion. Okay. What is the meaning of 4 negative? Negative charge means when it is taking electron. It means now the number of electrons in carbon is now 6 plus 4. This negative sign is it doesn't mean that it is negative minus in minus. Okay, this negative sign shows that carbon is taking 4 electrons. Carbon is taking 4 electrons from some donor species. Okay, it means after taking 4 electrons, now the total number of electrons will become 6 plus 4, that is total 10 electrons now. Okay, but what about protons? The number of protons is is only 6. Okay, so it is not possible for 6 protons to uh, effectively or to hold 10 electrons. Okay, it is not easy or not possible for the 6 electrons to hold 10 electrons. Okay, so that is why this anion C4 negative anion is not possible or not easy to form. Okay, now second case, when it is C4 positive, that is a cation. Why this cation does not exist? Okay, why it is not easy to form? C4 negative positive sign occurs when carbon gives 4 electrons. Okay, C4 positive means 6 minus 4. It means 4 electrons are going from this shell. Okay, then C4 positive will be formed. Okay, now see, 4 positive elect 4 electrons. Okay, they are going from this shell. It means to remove electrons from valence shell, energy is required. What is required? Energy is required, and this energy is known as ionization energy. This energy, is known as ionization energy. Okay, it means for the formation of C4 positive, first you have to provide energy. This energy will escape electrons from the valence shell. It means for the removal of 4 electrons, a large amount of energy is required. Okay, to remove 4 electrons from the valence shell. So it is all. So therefore, it is not possible to form C4 positive also. Okay, so how this problem is solved by the carbon? It is solved by the sharing of electron, by sharing of electrons. Okay, for example, CH4. For example, CH4. This is methane. How it is formed? One electron, valence electron of carbon 4, one hydrogen having one electron, another hydrogen one electron, another hydrogen one electron, another hydrogen one electron. So in this way, okay, they share. You can simply represent it by in this way. Okay, it means this bond is formed by the sharing of electrons. Okay, is it okay that why C4 negative and C4 positive ions are not formed? Okay, this is the reason that why these uh, ions are not formed. Now next part of this topic. Okay, some other atoms, they also form bond by the sharing of electrons. The example is H2, hydrogen molecule. One hydrogen, one electron, other hydrogen, one electron. So how we can represent? Sharing means these two electrons belongs to each hydrogen. So I can represent it by in this way. Okay, then in this way. It means of both. This is sharing. Okay, it means this bond is in hydrogen hydrogen bond. Next is oxygen molecule. Atomic number of one, when I will write atomic number of oxygen, it is 8. So you can write in magic form 2 6. It means valence electrons 6. So I can write in this way: one oxygen, second oxygen. Okay, it means, now see, sharing will make a magic numbers. For example, it is 288. First I'm telling up to here. In this case, 2 electrons. Okay, now when there will be sharing of these electrons, okay, then each carbon having 8 electrons. Okay, now how here it will be shared? See, this elect 2 electrons of this, it belongs to this carbon, and these 2 electrons, they belongs to this, sorry, oxygen. Okay, it means now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. For this 8, for this oxygen it is also 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, it means in oxygen there is double bond. Next is nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen, it is triple bond. In case of nitrogen, it is triple bond. So nitrogen, valence electrons 5, atomic number is 7, we can write 2 5. Okay, so valence electrons 5, I can write in this way: 1 2 3. Second nitrogen, 1 2 3. Okay, these electrons, they will come as shared electrons. Okay, and you can represent this as triple bond, nitrogen nitrogen triple bond. Okay, so it was up to here. The next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.